If we're looking at 20 to 30-year-old, I really try to get them to focus on the whole movement aspect first. We phase them in, same with older women. If you're doing to failure, which works really well when you're younger to increase strength and a little bit of hypertrophy, spend a little bit more time in the gym. Might be 45 to 60 minutes. Doing that 4 times a week. You can add in a sprint interval training at the end of one of those to get that super high intensity, putting in at the most 2 HIIT sessions on separate days. Ideally, we look at 3 to 4 resistance training with really good movement when we're in the younger set with 2 high intensities. Getting into our 30s, we start having an eye to how are we actually doing that resistance training? Instead of just going and doing a circuit, we're really focusing on compound movements. Let's look at doing some heavier work, how we are periodizing. So we're having 6-week blocks and we're building on those blocks because we want that base foundation. When we get to be 40 plus, we can actually go and do our power-based training. If you're in your 40s, you've never done resistance training, then we take between 2 weeks to 4 months to really learn how to move well because there's a higher incidence of soft tissue injury and overall injury because of perturbations of estrogen. When we get there, we're looking at that around 3 minimum resistance training with compound movements and either 1 or 2 sprint intervals and 1 HIIT in a week.